This is a hair mask. This is a hair mask. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell, and today I am going to be trying out some new hair products. These products I've actually had for a while now, and I'm really excited to actually use them today. The first product that I'm going to be trying out is the MOAC Intense Hair Mask. Now, I got this product from TJ Maxx. It was $7.99. And then for my wash and go, I'm going to use the Cantu ACAI Berry Revitalizing Gel. It is a flexible hold, alcohol-free styling gel. It is a flexible hold, alcohol-free styling gel. All right, so moving on to this hair mask. It says it's a deep conditioning treatment that can help achieve a smooth and healthy look without adding greasiness. So it says to leave this mask on for 3 to 5 minutes. So that's what we gonna do. Ooh, okay. It smells like hotel soap. So the shampoo and conditioner that I used left my hair feeling so freaking moisturized. Like, my hair feels amazing. Yeah. It's nice and creamy though, but it's thick. Ooh, my hair is nice and smooth. And immediately just clumped my hair together. This hair mask feels amazing on my hair. I love it. Ooh. Do you guys have a favorite hair mask? Comment down below some really great hair masks to use. The more mask that I add to my hair, the better I'm able to detangle my hair at the same time. Guys, so I'm about to let my hair sit and then I will be right back. Alright guys, my hair is all rinsed out and my hair feels so amazing. I love it so much. It's not frizzy. It feels so nice and moisturized. Oh. So now I'm going to move on to trying this Cantu ACAI styling gel. This gel smells like something that I've smelled before. And it doesn't stink, it smells like something familiar, but I just don't know what it is. So the gel, it instantly makes my hair nice and smooth. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, y'all, look at that. The definition instantly came out. Oh, okay. It's beautiful. Pause. Okay. Alright guys, so my hair is all done and it looks amazing. I love the way my hair looks when it is wet. I love the way my hair is looking so far. I cannot wait to see what it looks like once it dries. And then I will come back when it's all dried. Alright guys, my hair is all dried and I love the way my hair turned out. I was really surprised. The last Cantu gel that I tried, I wasn't happy with it, but my hair did not dry with the crunch. It did dry with the soft hold. The gel did a really great job at defining my curls. I love it so freaking much. Like, I just love my hair. I think the only thing I wish I had was a little bit more volume. Now, I am gonna come back tomorrow so that you guys can actually see what day 2 looks like. So as you guys can see, my hair was very dull, lifeless. There was no way I could just, because usually I like to just wet my hair and work the product that was already on my hair, just work it a little bit and just go, but I really do believe that it was not going to work this day. So I just ended up wetting my hair and applying the gel again and just rocking the wash and go that way. It sucked, but the only good thing that I've noticed is that my hair was nice and soft. Did anybody try out this gel? Did you like it or did you not like it? Let me know, leave a comment down below. I'm not gonna lie, this was gonna be the last product I was gonna try of Cantu if it did not work out the way I wanted it to. But I actually really love the way my hair turned out, so yes, I like it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button down below, guys. And I want to leave you guys with a quote. I saw this post on Instagram and it says that you are not responsible for the programming you received in childhood. As an adult, you are 100% responsible for fixing it. And that has been on my mind like heavy, just because I feel like there are some things that is affecting me in adulthood that happened in my childhood. Yes, I wasn't responsible for the things that happened when I was a child because I couldn't control anything. But as I am growing older, it is 100% my responsibility to fix my problems now, because the people that caused the problems for me in my childhood, they can't fix them for me. I have to be the one to put in the work to change the programming and the things that got put into my mind when I was a child, change those and make them right. I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, and spread that positive vibe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. New hair products, and these products I've actually been trying. I think I should have drunk some water. It's that natural. Oh God. Okay, the MOAC, and then we are, oh, no, not we, because there ain't nobody else here. My hair grew big. Is this, or is it this?